Hindi natin nag-uusapan ng private charge. And some of our resource persons are saying people are resisting. There was one who said, he readily accepted it, that's good. But whenever there is a change, everybody say change. Tingin sa katabi mo kung nagbabago ba yan. Tabihin ang balikat ng nasa kanan, sabihin mo sa kanya, magbago ka na. Oh, bawi ka naman. Tabihin ang balikat ng nasa kaliwa, sabihin mo sa kanya, mauna ka. Now, when there are changes, there are uncertainties. Why? It's something new. And that is why leaders like you and me have to understand that every time we implement something new, we expect, everybody say expect. We expect resistance. And that is why we manage that. And it is exactly in times of uncertainties that leaders like you and me must rise.